Articles A and the, a book, a pen, a pencil, a toy, an apple, an egg, an igloo, an ant, an ice cream, an egg, an umbrella, an ink, the sun, the moon, the cat, the dog, the tiger. What is parts of speech? Parts of speech: understand, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjections are called parts of speech. What is noun? Noun, understand the name of the persons or things. Subhash is a brilliant boy. Subhash. Noun. Kinds of noun: proper noun, collective noun, matters noun, and abstract noun. How is proper noun? Proper noun, understand the name of the persons. Common noun, understand the name of the name of the nations. Collective nouns, it understand the name of such as army, students. Materials noun, it understand the materials name. Gold is a valuable metal. Gold, materials noun. Abstract noun, odds, হুজে, high odds in the is no more হুজে we have on the match. What is pronoun? Pronoun, understand instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school. He is going to the school. What is verb? Verb, understand the actions or working. She is swimming. She is finding to you. What is adverb? Adverb is modifying to the verb. He runs fast. Fast modified to the verb run. So fast is adverb. Prepositions: in, on, at, between, under, beside. Adjective. What is adjective? Adjective, understand the positions of the noun. Tall boy, tall, adjective. Short girl, short, adjective. Preposition: conjunctions. It understand the adding to the sentences. But, or, and. Interjection, it understand to express the emotionals or হুজে, hi, alls. Spoken English: get up, brush your teeth, look at me, look at the sun, look at the stars, look at the moon, watch the TV programs. Myself, I am Mimi Ghosh. I completed my MA and BEd course. I like studying different varieties books for acquiring knowledge. I like to watch the TV programs and other social programs. Vowel and consonant. Vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Consonant: P, T, G, K, L, M, N. I, N, G. Verb: doing, coming, swimming, standing, sitting, weeping, returning, finding,